Welcome to our channel. How to set up TP-Link Deco M4 Dual Pack, full guide. Unbox and plug in. Grab both Decos. Plug one into your modem using the Ethernet cable. Power it on. Wait a minute. Lights should blink blue. If not, unplug and try again. Download the app. Go to the App Store or Google Play. Search for TP-Link Deco. Install. Don't skip this. You can't do squat without it. Create, log in to your TP-Link ID. Open the app. Make an account or log in. Yeah, it's annoying, but it's needed to manage the network. Start setup. Tap Plus in the app. Pick Deco M4. App will ask to locate your Deco. Follow the on-screen instructions. Connect Deco to modem. Confirm the Deco is plugged into your modem. App will detect it. Give it a minute, it might take 30 to 60 seconds. Name your network. Pick a Wi-Fi name, SSID, and password. Don't overthink it, just something you'll remember. No home Wi-Fi 123 inches nonsense. Add the second Deco. App will prompt you to place the second unit somewhere central in your home. Plug it in. Wait for it to light up. The app will find it automatically. Check placement. Avoid corners, behind thick walls, or near microwaves. Ideally, somewhere open-ish. The app will tell you if signal is weak. Move it if needed. Wait for syncing. Both Decos will blink and then turn green. That means they're talking to each other and your network is live. Patience is key. Don't keep unplugging stuff. Test your network. Connect your phone or laptop. Run a speed test. Walk around your home. Make sure the coverage is solid. If something's dead zone Y, move the second Deco a bit. Thank you for watching.